This is for Lab 2. There are two main tasks for Lab 2. The first one is to enable the SSH service on the ESXi host, so I can SSH to the ESXi host through a terminal. The second task is to create a new repository directory in the new Datastore. So I can copy all the current VMware tools repository packages into this new folder. And then I will create a new symbolic link to point this link to the new directory. And first, I will enable the SSH service. So I will log in to the vCenter and go to this host and cluster and select this ESXi 01. Click configure and go to system services. And find the SSH here, and it's stopped. I will start it. So started this service, and now it's running. And now I can open a terminal. And now I will log in as a super user. And next, I should be able to SSH to the ESX host password. Now I through the terminal, I logged in at the root to this ESXi host. And the next, copy the current VMware tools packages to a new folder. And first, I will check the current folder of the VMware tools to make sure they are there. Use this symbolic link and go to this folder. Now, this is the current Datastore, the repository for the VMware tools. So now I'm sure that the two folders are there. So the next, I will create a new repository, a new Datastore. Then I will copy these two folders to the new directory. I make a new directory. This is the current directory. Now this is the new directory. There's nothing there. So next, I will copy the current two folders into this new directory. Next, I will check that the two folders are in the new directory. The two folders are copied to the new directory here. The next, create a new symbolic link and point this link to this directory. And this symbolic link update will be done through the mobile interface in the vCenter. Now before updated, I will check the system setting, the key value pair for the productLocker location. Go to this one, check the configure, go to system, go to the advanced system setting, and then I will find the key value pair. It's a product, so it's this one. This is the current key value pair for the locker location. It's this one. So the next, I will create the symbolic link to update this link and then point it to the new folder that I just created. First, I will log in the mobile interface, open a new page, copy the new value of the new location. And then I will invoke this method, create a new task and to update this value. So I just invoke. So now this method is created and executed. Now, if I go to this ESXi host and I check the new system setting, the productLocker location key value pair should be updated to this new value. Now I will check it. So I go to this host and I go to configure and still go to advanced setting. Now it's updated to this new one. This concludes Lab 2.